Peace, good peoples. You should already know you back with your homeboy Wrenchturna for what? Another shop talk, alright? And yeah, you see me, I'm in the shop, getting it in. You know the vibes. But yo, y'all seen the thumbnail, so y'all already know what this is about. Alright? I'm glad that you back with me, because you could be anywhere else watching any other YouTuber. Thank you. So let's get into it. Let's get it, baby.
Tonight I'm feeling heavy,
Feeling real heavy.
like down low. It's
C-Paul, baby.
It's time to do.
What we gonna do?
Tonight we gon' ride. Tonight we gon' ride.
Before we get into today's video, I'd like to let everybody know that this video is brought to you and sponsored by the good people at Voss and Bridges. So make sure you guys visit vossandbridges.com. Make sure you stop by and stay fly. Alright? So come on up in the house, man, so we can have this conversation. Alright? Back where I am really comfortable. You see, I keep a Yamaha on the lift, man, waiting on this guy to bring his parts so I can go ahead and get him back out on the road to his happiness and his freedom. So like I said, you've seen the thumbnail, and it is about the 2021 Ford Bronco. And one of the things that has caught me off guard is the fact that they have not offered a manual transmission. Why? I do not know. In different packages that they have a 10-speed automatic. That is like the best thing, I guess, that you could want when you're going to tow, when you're going to mud bog, when you're going to, I don't know, just going off-road, period. That's something that you would want. But there is no manual. And other videos that I've done, I mean, even when I was talking about the Supra, is what's good with you manufacturers not making manuals anymore. I mean, do you guys think that people are that non-conforming or something, or has analytics told you guys over the years that it's a drop in people that buy manual vehicles? Me personally, I started out on the manual, so I'm always about going to get one, unless it's like a sedan, or like a luxury sedan or something that I just want to lounge in. If that's the case, then no, I'm not trying to be in that vehicle switching gears. But certain ones, there are exceptions. So like with the 2021 Ford Bronco, right? You think they have a 2021 Bronco Wildtrak, all right? So that Wildtrak is the equivalent to Jeeps Willy's package. It has 17-inch bead-lock rims, and they got these massive 35-inch tires to go with it. They got fender flares to go with it, and they calling it the Wildtrak with the Sasquatch Package. You know what I mean? So you already know that's about making a big footprint. You know what I mean? The motor is a turbocharged motor, and from what I understand, it's real torquey too. So if you're looking to be into that, for all you guys who rock climb, all you guys that go play in the mud, this, that, and the third, you guys want that torque. You guys need that torque. And I don't care if you're not mud bogging or doing none of that stuff. If you're towing, you need to have that torque. Even if you just want to have a vehicle that you feel like, oh, I don't want a whole lot of speed, I don't want a whole lot of power, but you want a utility vehicle that can be practical, the Bronco might be in your future. We have yet to see how many colorways, how many different interiors that they're going to be putting into the vehicle. But as we get closer and closer to seeing them in the streets, what do we want as the consumer? We want to know more about it so that when we go to the lot, we know what we're dealing with. You know what I'm saying? Because how many times have we as car buyers went into a situation not knowing everything? But now, by us having the internet, we can go and we can search and we can scour for all of this information about something that we are about to dump countless thousands of dollars into. So if you have any intention on doing anything other than just driving the vehicle, the Sasquatch package could possibly be for you. I mean, now I look at like a lot of the guys that rock rims. All right, you thinking about a massive 35-inch tire? Like, this thing is super huge. The same person that might not like them big tires on their vehicle, that same person could opt out of that and just throw a 30-inch rim on it and then put a tire on it that actually has some meat on it, and don't have to worry about curb rash, don't have to worry about cracking a rim, going over a pothole. Because I don't know about the streets where you guys live at, but streets around here can be pretty bad, man. And they do these patch jobs to just patch it up until somebody messes it up again. It is what it is. But the 2021 Jeep Bronco Wildtrak Sasquatch Package, for all you off-roaders, for all you people that literally love a different look, because you're going to have so many people riding around with the new Ford Bronco, and because I like the truck. I liked it when I seen it. That's the reason that made me do a video on it, because when I seen it, I'm like, whoa. And then on top of that, they're bringing the Bronco back for all these years. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but the Bronco became synonymous with us when OJ was going through his whole ordeal. You know what I mean? So just to see them bring it back, we've seen other manufacturers, retro cars, bring cars back, and sometimes it went, sometimes it didn't. But you know how it goes. It can be a love-hate thing. Depends on what manufacturer you are. What's the word? You are loyal to, because we have people like myself. I'm loyal to Volkswagen. I love Volkswagen to death. It's other manufacturers that I like, but I'm super loyal to Volkswagen because Volkswagen has been good to me. That's kind of how it works, right? When you find something or some product that is good to you, you stay rocking with it. So I don't think that the 2021 Ford Bronco with the Sasquatch package, I don't think that will upset. I don't think it will disappoint. The only thing that I think will disappoint anybody is just the fact that they don't have a manual and they are not talking about a manual option. I have not read, and I keep my ear to the automotive streets all the time. I have not read anything saying that, oh, we are even thinking about giving you guys a manual version of the Sasquatch package. You know what I'm saying? But I'm really digging it. I hope you guys are, and that's pretty much all I have for this video. I hope that you guys enjoy, and like I said at the beginning of the video, for everybody that made it to this point in the video, comment, I made it to the end of the video down below. Watch what I do for you. Alright? And now that we're at the end, again, I have to tell you, make sure that you visit voiceandbridges.com. Stop by and stay fly. New colorways on deck, and the website has just been revamped. So go check it out. Buy you a hat or something. Tees is on deck. Other things is on deck. So make sure you visit voiceandbridges.com. And that's it for me on the check-in. Another shop talk done. I will see you guys on the flip side. Wrenchturna out. Peace.